No, not at all. We're going to look at a policy, and like I said, you typically get the good, the bad, and the ugly.
Yeah.
You get a good policy. It's RCV. There's no exclusions on it. It's going to cover your hail and wind. Hopefully you see some sort of deductible where it's under 25,000, depending on how big the policy or depending on how big the property is, and then you kind of get the bad slash. This isn't that bad, but there's an exclusion on it. There could be a higher deductible. Maybe 100,000 or more. That's something that the insurance coming out of pocket on.
Yeah.
But you got to make that up front. You got to make that clear to them. They're going to be filing a claim. You're going to be responsible for X amount of dollars. Because that's, the days of like, hey, let me just kind of scoot it in here for you and I'll take care of your policy. That day is gone.
Mm-hmm.
Carriers are checking. They're making sure that they're looking for it. So I make that clear to them up front as well too. And then you get, the ugly where you have an ACV, you have a percentage deductible or something along the lines of that. And it's,
which is real big in Texas too.
It's big in Texas. It's huge in Florida.
Really?
It's huge in Florida. You get half the hurricane policies that were reviewed this year. It's anywhere between 1% to 5% deductible.
Well, remember, and I know you know this, but for those you guys out there, you have different types of deductibles, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So you've got a hurricane deductible, which is generally a percentage.
Yep.
And then, obviously I don't want to get in trouble talking about it, but you've got different types of deductibles, right?
Yeah. And I mean, not to say you'd get in trouble talking about it. I mean, it's good to know if you're a contractor, you got to know how to be able to read. You gotta be able to, if you're a contractor and you're not going to use a PA, guys, get on YouTube, take a class, take a course, whatever it may be on how it is to read a policy. I know a lot of you guys out there know this, and I know a lot of you guys, out there have your own, house or property or probably own some sort of
something of asset.
Something that you have an insurance on. Guys, read it, understand it, know how it works. If you guys want to get a PA involved with it, get a PA involved with it. I'm going to always tell you that. I mean, but you got to know what you're looking at.